In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an income statement in Xero. Whether you're a business owner looking to keep track of your company's financial health or an accountant aiming to streamline your processes, this tutorial is designed to make generating an income statement easy and efficient. First, let's start by navigating to Xero. Open up your web browser and head over to Xero's login page. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and you should land on the Xero dashboard. This is where you manage all your financial accounts and data. It's the hub for accessing various features within the software, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. The next step is to find the reporting section. On the dashboard, look towards the main navigation menu where you will see a tab labeled Accounting or Business. Hover over it or click, depending on what appears for you. Then click on Reporting. This section houses all the financial reports you can generate within Xero. It's crucial to get to know this page well, as it provides valuable insights into your financial activities. After entering the reporting section, look for the Profit and Loss report. This is essentially another name for your income statement, and it's where you'll find the detailed financial performance of your business over a specific period. Click on Profit and Loss in the list of reports. This report gives you a comprehensive view of your revenue, expenses, and profit, laying the foundation for informed financial decisions in your business. Once you're on the profit and loss page, you'll need to adjust a few settings to tailor the statement to your needs. You'll see a drop-down menu near the top of the page. Click on that drop-down to reveal a list of options for customizing your report. Here, you can choose the date range you wish to analyze. It's important to select a period that aligns with your reporting needs, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or annually. After setting your preferences in the drop-down, the next step is to click on the Update button. This is a crucial step as it refreshes the report to reflect your custom settings. Make sure all the details are correct and review the statement to ensure it's complete and accurate. The updated report will display your revenues, costs, and expenses calculated to provide your net income. And that's it! You've successfully created an income statement in Xero. Remember, regularly reviewing this document can give you a clearer understanding of your business's financial health, helping you plan strategically for the future. I hope you found this video helpful in navigating Xero's reporting tools. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your financial management skills. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.